7 quick red flags that can make your child resent you, and what to do instead. 1. Dismissing feelings. When your kid says, "I'm sad," and you say, "You're fine," they learn emotions aren't welcome. Try this. I hear you. Tell me more. Validation first, lesson later. 2. Conditional love. Only praising grades, goals, or good behavior makes love feel earned, not given. Say, "I love you no matter what. I'm proud of the effort you put in." 3. Public shaming. Calling them out in front of others may fix today's behavior, but breaks tomorrow's trust. Correct in private, praise in public. 4. Inconsistent boundaries. Sometimes yes, sometimes no, turns your rules into a roulette wheel. Set simple rules. Explain the why. Keep them consistent across caregivers. 5. Comparison culture. Why can't you be like your sister? Tells them they're not enough. Compare them to their past self. You're growing. Look how far you've come. 6. Never apologizing. Parents are human, but pretending you're perfect teaches kids to hide mistakes. Model it. I lost my cool. I'm sorry. I'm working on it. 7. No time or distracted time. Being physically present but emotionally absent, always on your phone, feels like rejection. Try 10 minutes of undivided attention daily. Eyes up, phone down. Quick resets you can start today. 1 validation per big feeling. 1 clear boundary you actually keep. 1 apology when you slip. 1 ritual of connection. Bedtime chat. 1 ritual of connection. Car ride song. 1 ritual of connection. A weekly walk. Remember, you don't need to be a perfect parent to raise a secure kid. You just need to be a repairing parent. When you miss it, name it. When you break it, fix it. Love loudly. Correct gently. Stay consistent. If this gave you an ouch and an aha, that's a good sign. Pick 1 change, start today, and let your child feel the difference. 1 small moment at a time. You've got this.